Hi there, I'm Stacey, farm manager as well as a member of the North Leupp Family Farms team, and welcome to the farm. This is a 100-acre family owned and operated cooperative type farm that we have here. Now we're a nonprofit organization incorporated under the Navajo Nation code. The farm itself, has been existent since the early 80s. Back then, again, it also served as an alfalfa farm for the community and as well as growing food. And so each family, like I said, there's 20 plus family. Each family will take out a plot. It's about 100 by 100 acre or feet plot. And it's a lot of work, It seems small, but it's a lot of work. But once you come to this point where you're harvesting, it's well worth it. Little baby onions. These will grow. There's probably some in there that are a lot bigger. I remember growing up, and we used to help. Families would help each other's out. Our family over there would come over if we needed to hoe a field or if we needed to harvest as well, which we would go over there. So it's always been a community effort, sort of like a collective effort when it came to farming among the relatives and the people that lived nearby. That in itself is, sustenance, not only the food that we grow, but as well as the relationship that we harvest. Corn itself, it has stages, and there's, songs in Navajo that describe that. It's a cycle. You grow, you mature, then you go back to the ground. What I've seen over the past 8 years is that the folks are starting to come together. It's not like before where, some family would just, stay in that corner and don't really do anything. But now we're starting to mingle, and that will definitely help out in the long run with the farm.